dyma ni. Nos wener, croeso, helo bawb, mae'n amser am mwy o Gymraeg. Well, here we are, Friday night. Welcome, hello everyone. It's time for more Welsh. Galw am sicrhau mwy o gynnyrch lleol mewn bwyd ysgol. Call to secure more local produce in school food. Cyfres phedwar a phenod gant a phedwar ddeg. Series 4 and episode 214. Arwyr O Gymru. Heroes from Wales. Okay, what have we got? Nos wener, because nos is feminine. We mutate. Wener becomes wener. After that, don't do it with a day, because dydd is masculine, but nos is feminine. Nos wener, G has dropped, soft mutation. Hello, bawb is there as well. Pawb to bawb, P to a B, vocative use as usual. Mwy o Gymraeg. Cymraeg has become Gymraeg after the word o. One of the key prepositions that cause soft mutation, and the soft mutation prepositions that we know are am, arat, dan drosdwy, tan drosdwy, gan heb hyd and I o wrth. What else we got? Mwy o gynnyrch. Yeah, gynnyrch. Cynnyrch, produce. C to a G after O again. Soft mutation after the preposition. Pennod has become phenod. Aspirate mutation, P to a PH after the small little word. Which means and, causes 3 letters to mutate, P, T and C. And that happens again there as phedwar ddeg. Deg has become ddeg as well after key preposition R. And gant, cant has become gant because it's after the word die. Gant. Any word, number that we're counting with the number 2, whether it be feminine with dwy or masculine with die, gets a soft mutation. What else have we got? Arwyr O Gymru. Same thing again. Cymru to Gymru after O. That's it. Today's lesson is Heroes from Wales. So one of the books in the Amdani series is ddeg or ugain o Arwyr Cymru. 20 of Wales's heroes. And yeah, I'm reading that at the moment. So, rwy'n darllen llyfr am Arwyr O Gymru. Felly, mae'r wers hon yn ymwneud â hynny. I'll let you work that out. You know most of the words. Yeah, you know all of them. Today's main part of the lesson is an extract from that book about Arwyr Bevan. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Wasn't around in 1945, so his name doesn't stick in my head much. But he's the guy who started the NHS anyway. I've got this. So, cafodd Arwyr Bevan ei eni yn ddeg blynedd gwent. Arwyr Bevan was born in blynedd gwent. Aeth I weithio mewn pwllglo am gyfnod a fo oedd cynrychiolydd yr undeb llafur ynddo. He went to work in a colliery or coal mine for a time and was the trade union representative in it. Yn 1929, daeth yn aelod seneddol dros Glynebwy. In 1929, he became Member of Parliament for Ebbw Vale. Roedd yn weinidog iechyd yn y Llywodraeth Lafur yn 1945 a fo wnaeth ddechrau'r wladwriaeth les. He was a health minister in the Labour government in 1945 who started the welfare state. What have we got there then? So, pwllglo, coal mine, coal pit, colliery, glo is coal or charcoal. Gyfnod, soft mutation of cyfnod, means a period of time. Cynrychiolydd, representative. And undeb, unity or union, aelod, member. Glynebwy, ebw veil, laver, soft mutation of llaver, labour or work. Wladwriaeth, state, soft mutation of gwladwriaeth. Notice the word country is in there, gwladwriaeth. Les, soft mutation of lles, means welfare, well-being, or benefit, profit, gain. Usual games. I've fixed a few things up. The way you created the words in the word search, so you wanted to draw a word out, you had to click each one, and sometimes if it was a long one, by the time you got the end of it, it timed out and you had to do it all again. Sometimes it got in a funny loop where it wasn't working properly. And I fixed it. You draw the words now, and they work on the phone or the computer. Just draw it out over the top in yellow, and it just works. Fix that up. And I've also put at the top of the contents page, because someone had a little moan on there was no audio on one of the videos on about numbers. Fair enough. So I've made a nice little bit at the top of the contents page, 0 to 20, audio and games. And the other thing that I've done is the little storybook things that we have. When you hover on a word, it shows you the word information underneath. But now I've got it so it shows you example sentences as well. So let's go through the story so far. Rydw I wedi bod yn brysur iawn yn ddiweddar. I've been very busy recently. Rydw i'n gwneud rhywbeth cymdeithasol nawr, bron bob dydd. I am doing something sociable now nearly every day. Rydw I wedi ymuno â chwrs Cymraeg uwch. I have joined an advanced Welsh course. Rydw i'n darllen llawer yn y Gymraeg, 8 llyfr gwahanol ar hyn o bryd. I am reading lots in Welsh, 8 different books at present. Ni all fy ngariad credu fy mod i'n gwneud cymaint. My girlfriend cannot believe that I am doing so much. Ychydig flynyddoedd yn ôl, ni fyddwn ni hyd yn oed yn mynd ar gyfrifiadur. A few years ago, I wouldn't even go on a computer. Mae dysgu byw fy mywyd eto trwy'r Cymraeg wedi bod yn llwyddiant. Learning to live my life again through Welsh has been a success. Gorffennais 2 lyfr yr wythnos diwethaf yn y Gymraeg. I finished 2 books last week in Welsh. O'r wythnos hon rydw i 2 ran o 2 o'r 4 drwy lyfr Cymraeg sydd wedi anelu at ddysgwyr. This week I am 2/3 way through a Welsh book not aimed at learners. And I better jump on to the latest one, sorry. So we have today's sentences. Mae lyfr rwy'n ei ddarllen wedi caniatáu I mi adnabod llais negyddol sydd gen I yn fy meddwl. A book I am reading has allowed me to recognise a negative voice I have in my mind. Mae wedi bod yno erioed, ond mae fy merthynas ag ef wedi newid nawr. It has always been there, but my relationship with it has now been changed. Mae fy mlwyddyn gyntaf o ymroi fy mywyd i'r Gymraeg wedi bod yn werth chweil iawn. My first year of devoting my life to Welsh has been very worthwhile. Rwy'n ailgysylltu'n araf a chymdeithas ac yn deall fy neimladau'n well. I am slowly reconnecting with society and understand my feelings better. Okay, out of time. See you tomorrow.